Hello everyone and welcome to the Autopedia channel. In today's video we are diving into the crash test results of two top-tier SUVs, the 2024 Renault Espace and the 2024 Skoda Kodiaq. Both vehicles promise safety and reliability, but which one truly excels in the crash test? Let's find out. But before starting, please subscribe to our channel. For you is free, for us is very important. And first, the frontal offset test. Here the Kodiaq's passenger compartment remains stable, offering good protection for the knees and the femurs of both the driver and passengers. However, it received a penalty for being an aggressive impact partner. The Espace also had a stable compartment with good knee and femur protection, but the driver's chest protection was rated as weak. Winner, Skoda Kodiaq. In the full-width rigid barrier test, the Kodiaq showed good or adequate protection for all critical body areas. The Espace showed marginal protection for the rear passenger's chest, but was otherwise well protected. The winner in this case is also the Skoda Kodiaq. For the side barrier and pole impact test, both the Kodiaq and the Espace score maximum points with good protection for all critical areas. In this case, both vehicles excelled. Also, regarding occupant-to-occupant injury mitigation, both SUVs performed well. The Kodiaq and the Espace provided good head protection for front occupants in side impacts. So in this case, also both vehicles perform equally well. In terms of whiplash protection, both the Kodiaq and the Espace demonstrate good protection for both front and rear occupants in rear end collisions. So the same, we have a good results for the both vehicles. And finally, looking at advanced safety features, the Kodiaq has an advanced e-call system and a secondary collision prevention system. The same, Espace also features an advanced e-call system and an automatic secondary collision avoidance. So in conclusion, we can clearly say that both SUVs demonstrate excellent safety features, but the Skoda Kodiaq edges out with consistent performance across all the tests. And with that being said, thank you very much for watching our video till the end, and if you like it, please hit us with a like and subscribe to our channel for more new upcoming videos.